In this video, I'm going to show you how to add items to your Amazon storefront page, everything from creating idea lists, adding products to your idea list, and adding shoppable photos and videos to your Amazon storefront page. In case you're new here, I'm Sarah. I help content creators, brands, and entrepreneurs create their digital influence by sharing different creation tips, tech tools, and gadgets to help you create your influence and workflows with ease. Having said that, let's get into this video. Now, if you haven't checked out my other videos in regards to how to set up an Amazon influencer storefront page and tips on how to make more money with your storefront, I highly recommend you check out those videos straight after this one. I also give you a behind the scenes walkthrough of my own Amazon storefront page within those videos, so I'll leave the link to the videos in the description and comments below. The first item we are going to go over is creating an idea list on your Amazon storefront page. Idea lists are very useful for your audience as it helps them navigate your storefront like they would any other website via different lists or categories. To create an idea list, you simply hover over the menu bar and click where it says Create Content. A drop-down menu will appear and you will want to click Idea List. Once you have clicked Idea List, you will want to fill in the required information such as the list name and description and add at least 2 products in order for the idea list to save. When it comes to titling your idea list, depending on what kind of niche you're in, often it's best to label your idea list like you would on a menu bar on a website. So for example, if you're wanting to create a list for different kinds of trending summer sandals, you'd want to call your idea list summer sandals. This lets your audience know exactly what is within your idea list from the get-go instead of labeling it something like summer gift guide. Now again, depending on who you are, if you're, let's say, a fashion blogger, a title like summer gift guide could be deemed appropriate. But most of the time you want to label your folders clearly and simply. Once you've given your idea list a title, you can give a brief description about what this idea list is about. Now this section is optional, but if you feel inclined, you have the space to write a sentence or two about what your idea list is about. For example, if you were to use our summer sandals list idea, you could write a roundup of my favorite summer sandals, which can be perfectly paired with any summer outfit. Coming over to the right of the screen, you will need to add at least 2 products to your list. You'll be able to find various products through your current list that you have, if you have any, from your previous orders on Amazon or Amazon search. Now, I personally like to search for the product as it gives me the most flexibility. However, you can search any way you prefer. Repeat this step for each item you want to add to the idea list. Once you have added your items, Amazon will save your list, and once they approve it, which doesn't take too long, you have the option to get a link for your list or view your storefront as a whole. Once you've created your idea list, you can edit it at any time by clicking on the Edit List button located next to the list name on the Idea List tab. You can also delete the list by clicking on the Delete List button. To create a shoppable photo or video, you follow the same process as one another. In order to create a photo or video, you'll go back to the Create Content menu bar and click Post Photo or Video. Once you have uploaded your photo or video, you will need to tag at least 1 product for you to finish your post. Again, you'll be able to create an optional caption to help your audience better understand why you love the product or why the product is so great. So once you have filled in all the necessary information and linked to at least 1 product, you will then be able to submit your post. Generally speaking, from my personal experience, video posts tend to take a minute for Amazon to approve them as well as to upload them to your Amazon storefront page. And I'm assuming this is just to ensure that what you're posting is deemed appropriate, as well as because videos normally take a little bit longer to upload in general to any platform. I wanted to quickly touch on live streaming, as live streaming gives you a way to bring your products to life and engage with your shoppers. Live streaming can be really beneficial if you are serious about your storefront page and enjoy going live to share and talk about products you love. When you go live, your stream will appear automatically on your influencer storefront and on the Amazon Live homepage. Through the Amazon Influencer program, you earn commissions from all qualifying purchases of products that you feature in your live stream. So to live stream on Amazon, you must be a part of the Amazon Influencer program. I personally have never done a live stream on my Amazon storefront page. However, if you're interested, you will simply need to download the Amazon Live Creator app and follow the prompts from there. So there you have it, how to add items to your Amazon storefront page using idea lists and shoppable photos and videos. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a creator, brand, or entrepreneur with whom you think this would really help. And if you'd like to see a real-time example of a storefront, I'll leave the link to mine in the description and comment section below, where I do get a small commission with every purchase. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.